Have you ever seen crude oil in its raw form? Freshly extracted from the ground, it doesn't look impressive at all. It's just a thick, black, sticky liquid. Some people even say it looks like soy sauce. But here's the surprising part. Once this ordinary substance enters a refinery and passes through a towering distillation column, it transforms into something extraordinary, products that are everywhere in our daily lives. So how does that happen? Inside the distillation tower, crude oil is separated by temperature. As heat increases, different components rise and separate layer by layer, and each layer has a completely different purpose. At the very top, the lightest gases come out first. This is liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG, once compressed into cylinders. It becomes the cooking gas used in millions of kitchens every day. As the temperature rises slightly, gasoline is separated. Although we often think of gasoline as the main product of oil, it actually makes up only about 20% of crude oil. Yet this small portion powers billions of vehicles across the world. Next comes naphtha. The name may sound unfamiliar. Its role is massive. It is the foundation of many everyday materials: synthetic clothing, plastic bags, rubber soles, phone cases, keyboards, and countless other plastic products. In fact, many things that seem unrelated to oil actually come from this layer. As temperatures continue to increase, kerosene is released. It is more stable than gasoline and doesn't evaporate easily. That's why it performs so well in high altitude, low pressure environments. Every time you hear the roar of an airplane engine, it's kerosene burning that powers the flight. Below that is diesel. Diesel makes up an even larger portion than gasoline, over 30%. It fuels tractors in the fields, construction machinery, trucks on highways, and massive cargo ships crossing oceans. Without diesel, global transportation and industrial systems would struggle to function. Going deeper, we reach heavy oil. It's thick, almost like syrup, and not easy to burn unless heated first. But thanks to its high energy density and low cost, it becomes essential for large ships and power plants. Next is lubricating oil. This is what keeps machines running smoothly, from car engines to massive industrial equipment. A thin layer of lubricant prevents metal parts from grinding against each other. Without it, even the most advanced machines would quickly wear out. Finally, at the very bottom, lies asphalt, the heaviest residue. It may seem insignificant, but it forms the foundation of modern infrastructure. The roads we drive on and the waterproof layers on bridges all depend on it. So when you look back, oil is far more than just fuel. It is the lifeblood of modern civilization, present in clothing, transportation, construction, and technology. Without it, the world as we know it would come to a halt. I'm Locke. See you in the next video.